This is TRTT, SPSS class statistics running entirely in your browser. Nothing to install, no account. Let's open the built-in sample survey. You get a real data editor. 200 cases, 6 variables. One click in the View menu switches raw codes to value labels, just like the desktop. The dialogues work exactly as you know them. Analyze descriptive statistics, frequencies, pick your variables, click OK, and the results land in a familiar output viewer. And here's a real syntax window. Write SPSS commands or press paste in any dialog to generate them, then run everything at once. It can even produce the equivalent R or Python code. Crosstabs with a chi-square test. Gender by product rating. The same numbers SPSS gives you, computed by a native engine compiled to WebAssembly. Everything computes locally in your tab. Your data never leaves your machine. TRTT is free in the browser with a native iPhone and iPad app on the App Store. Link below.